Want to give your zombies a stylish new look? Let me show you how to buy your accessories and make them stand out in Zombie Tsunami. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy accessories in Zombie Tsunami. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch the Zombie Tsunami app on your device. Make sure you're on the main menu screen. On the main menu, tap on the Market option. Then tap on the accessories icon where the icon has a cap and a tree. Scroll through the list of accessories from hats and glasses to fun costumes. Each accessory will show its price in coins or gems. If your accessories have locks on them, then you'll be able to access it once you reach the higher levels. Once you've found an accessory that you like, tap on it. A confirmation screen will pop up showing the price. If you have enough coins or gems, tap Buy to make the purchase. After buying the accessory, you can equip it directly or access it later from your customization menu. And there you have it, your zombies are now looking more stylish than ever. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.